Hi, Mike Gullidge. I'm Vice President of Sales for North America for Jinny Software. We're introducing a new service at the show today called Voom. Voom stands for Value-Added Services over Mobile Broadband. Basically, Voom is a way for carriers to leverage the IP internet that they're building. Voom works very similar to Skype in that it's a branded services for the carrier. So it's a Skype-type service that the carriers can actually sell or brand. So the way it works is instead of having a Skype ID that callers cannot call unless you're on Skype, Voom is a service that uses your mobile phone number as your ID. So a caller can call the mobile phone number. It rings your mobile phone, can ring a tablet, it can ring a PC, wherever you are, either circuit switched or IP switched, all at the same time. The beauty of it is it brands the service to the carrier and it brands the ID to the phone number, so it provides a very sticky service. Some of the other advantages are with carriers, smaller carriers that have wireline parents. Because it works over IP, it offloads a lot of the circuit switch calls onto Wi-Fi or hotspot areas. So it takes some traffic from the circuit switch, puts it onto the Wi-Fi network, which is a lot more economical for some of the carriers. It essentially eliminates the need for femtocells and stuff like that. The second benefit is in terms of roaming, both international roaming and regular roaming. Many of the smaller carriers are paying high rates. If you can offload some of those calls that customers are making outside of their network onto a Wi-Fi network, then they're eliminating that expense. On the international side, because it works on Wi-Fi, your customers are not paying huge roaming rates, data roaming rates, all that kind of stuff. You're using Wi-Fi, and the beauty is callers can call you. They don't have to know where you are. It rings because again, you're using the mobile phone number. So it provides a lot of advantages. And the third thing is it's really a unique service that's coming in. We're not aware of anyone that has offered this type of service. We feel like we've got much more capabilities. It has the chat, it has the instant messaging, it has video conference calling, it has conference calling, so it has all the features of Skype with a couple of benefits.